Hello and welcome. It's good to have you here again. In this video, we want to take a quick look at the interface of the SmoothDraw 4.1.4 version. Okay, good. So let us start. So if you go to the top left, just beneath the title of the software SmoothDraw, you can see that we have three menus here: the file, edit, and the options menu. Each of these menu tab, once you click on it, they have sub menu, as you can see. Good, but we are not going into all this right now. Later on, we shall be going in depth into learning these different sub menu. Okay, good. Then right beneath it are shortcuts that you can find in one of the menus of file, edit, or options. Okay, so but right now we just identify them for what they are. This is the save button, this is the undo button, this is the redo button, this is the show left panel button, and this is the turn off stencil button. Okay, good. Then right beneath it is the foreground color. Okay, this is called a foreground color. You are going to be coming here from time to time, so we're going to go into it later on with the course of the training. Beneath it are small boxes which you can see here, which is known as the color palette. Then right after that is the pen dialog box. The fact is, whichever tool that you are currently using, that is the dialog box that you are going to have here. Okay, as you can see, just right, the properties of this pen is displayed right beneath it. You can see this one is the brush size, and this one is the ink flow, how the ink will flow. But not to worry, we're going to see what exactly these functions are. Then immediately after that is the layers dialog box, where you can see the background layer option. Okay, that is selected, but when it is not selected, you are going to see what will happen in the coming videos. Okay, let's go back up. Just like immediately after the three menus, we have this is the foreground color, and this white is this color, which looks like, maybe let me pick it to like red. This one, which looks like black, let me pick that color because I can't identify the other color, is the foreground color, while this white is the background color. As you can see, the black is in front of the white color. Okay, and that brings us to say, let me just jump it down a little bit to the canvas. This white area where we have the text within everything, the whole white board that we have here is called the canvas. Okay, the canvas is where the show happens. This is where you bring in the text, this is where you bring in the picture, this is where you do all sort of things on the stage. Okay, this is where your explanation, your illustrations happen. In fact, sometimes I feel like this is one of the most important feature of SmoothDraw. Okay, because this is the platform that makes it available, that makes it possible for you to use every other feature that we have in this software. Okay, good. So now let us go to the toolbar. The toolbar that we have here, the first one is the pen. We have other tools in there. As you can see, this one is called the Express toolbar. But if you want to see more other tools which are right inside, you come to the more button on the right hand side. You can see this little button, black button pointing down. You click on it and you will see the whole lot of tools that you can bring in and use while doing your illustration. But one thing is, you don't really need the whole of this, but it's good to explore them on your own, so that in case if you happen to say if you happen to need anyone for a particular project, you already know about it. But we are going to focus later on some important key tools that you are going to use to create engaging videos. Okay, good. And I think let us come to the left hand side, the top. This is the minimize button, like you know, this is the restore button, and this is the close button. Okay, that's all you need to know. Oh, remaining one thing, the scroll bar on the right hand side, where you can scroll it down so as to see beneath or to see the total length of the canvas. Okay, I think then they're okay. In case if, and lastly, we have these tiny buttons like the one we have here, just on the corner, on the right corner of the screen. As you can see, this is cases whereby if the canvas is so huge and you need to move it, like you want to move it to the right hand side, you click on this. If you want to move it to the left hand side, you come to the left hand side. As you can see, I hope you can see that very tiny. You can click that. That is the case whereby the canvas is so huge that it has fallen off to the left or to the right. Good. This is all I think you need to know about the SmoothDraw interface. Okay, good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.